One sunny morning, a group of children spotted a long line of ants bustling along. Curious, they decided to follow the ants, eager to discover where they were headed. The line of ants led to a shiny pot of sugar left on a picnic table in the park. The ants worked together, pushing tiny sugar grains towards their anthill in harmony. The children watched in amazement as each ant had its own special role in the process. They realized that, like the ants, everyone has an important role in the community. This experience taught them that teamwork and organization are key to achieving success. With smiles, they understood the moral everything in nature has a purpose and function.